What is up you guys, it's your boy Gardner coming at you with another vlog and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, as you can see, nag-ready pa ako talaga ng setup for today kasi we are going to finally have an unboxing video. And for today, ang i-unbox natin is none other than the iPad Pro 2020. So finally, I got the iPad na sobrang tagal-tagal kong inintay ito. So, since it was released last May, sobrang tagal niya bago makarating sa atin sa Philippines. Before we start this video, hi guys, my name is Gardner. If you're new to my channel, hi. I am a Filipino, used to be travel vlogger, but now I am, just doing college vlogs and lifestyle vlogs. So today, mag-unboxing nga tayo. And quick kwento lang before we really open it na parang this week lang naging available itong iPad Pro 2020 sa apple.com/ph. Kaso, the problem is, even if I order within this week, the earliest possible delivery would be at the end of August or early September, which is like a month and a half away from today. So, para for me, sobrang tagal niya. And since kailangan ko na rin talaga kasi for, online school, and I also need another device nga. And yeah, this one I got from my fellow Lasallian. Her name is France Tuong. I don't know if it's Tuong or Toong. I'm sorry if I can't pronounce that right. Pero sa Apple kasi this is 54,990 pesos. Pero I got this sa kanya ng 57,000 pesos plus handling fee. May konting patong siya, pero ang inisip ko na lang kasi yung convenience tsaka yung time na ihintayin ko pa kesa mag-order pa ako via Apple. So yeah, without further ado, I'm very excited. Let's get through this video. Actually, kanina, na-open ko na yung plastic. Pero yung plastic lang, like yung pinaka-case lang. So, I can't give you guys this satisfaction. Pero I haven't opened really the iPad yet. So, yeah, let's open this. Woo! Actually, ang hirap talaga niya. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya buksan. Woo! I got the Space Gray 11-inch. This is the 256GB. So, ang bago kasi sa iPad na to is it has the wide-angle lens and also the LiDAR scanner. Let's put this here muna. Let's see what's inside the box. So, it has this one. It says it's designed by Apple in California. The usual stuff. Manual. We're not going to go through that. Oh, and of course, hindi mawawala ang Apple sticker. And yun na yun. Wala na palang laman. And also, syempre, it has the fast charger. So, also the USB-C to USB-C cord. And yeah, wala na naman yun. So, let's put this aside. And let's go to the iPad. Oh my goodness. So, ito na yung pinaka-inaabangan ko, yung pag-peel off ng plastic. So, let's do this together. Woo! Okay. Wow! My God, it feels so delicate. Actually, I haven't bought the keyboard and the pencil yet. Next time na lang yun, sabi ng nanay ko. So, yeah, let's open it. Oh my God! Grabe! Finally! I'm so excited. Grabe, ang ganda ng color niya, guys. Space Gray. Grabe! Parang ang hirap pag walang case. Sige, papakita ko sa inyo. Okay. Let's go for English. So as I mentioned, if you guys wanted to buy an iPad and you don't want to wait for a month and a half, I'll put Frances' Facebook details below so you could go message her. So kung order kayo sa kanya, please do mention na galing kayo sa akin. So, may konting recognition naman. Face ID. Woo! So, create a passcode. Secret na lang muna yun. Wow! Okay, so okay na yung Apple ID. So they're asking me if I should choose the light or dark theme. I prefer the light. I mean the dark para mas save sa battery. Yeah, they're just giving some tips. Okay na yan, alam ko na yan. Welcome to iPad. Swipe up to get started. Okay, so I'll show you the screen, guys. Para mag-screen record. I don't know how to screen record. Uy guys, hindi ako marunong mag-screen record. So okay, I guess that will be it for a very short unboxing of this video. I know guys, I can't give you much detail about this iPad yet kasi as you can see, bagong-bago and I don't know much about it just yet. Pag nakuha ko na yung Apple Pencil and the Smart Folio keyboard, I will for sure update you guys with it. But yeah, that is all for our vlog today. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and as always, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends, put your thoughts in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, this is Casey Gardner, where your world meets mine, coming up. Bye!